Okay, now let's complete. So once we have the center line of the glass wall, we'll go 2 inches on either side. We do the same thing here. That way we have a 3 feet opening on either side here, and these 3 are going to be equal. Once you do that, it's the same thing. You can actually enlarge. So I'm going to just go annotate. I'm going to use that section cut line. So I'm going to go right here and literally draw my wall here and here. And once you do that, you can actually, it might be best if you actually erase this line and erase this line. And simply draw the line that goes from here, there, here, there, and then, oops. Now to get your act together, here's the line, section cut line, from this location here, and from this junction to this junction, this point. Oops, I have to make sure I go to the correct point. This was a little bit longer than it should have been. I can clean it up. You can change the line thickness so that it's easier to recognize the actual intersection. You click right back in and it will look like this. Once I know this one, I can just copy it like this and copy from this center point to this center point to that center point and the last one. Life is much easier. If I know this particular composition with a motherly hug, I can take that and mirror it. This is, I need to mirror from a center line, either drawn or implied. I have to have the center line before. This is an implied center line. I'm going to go ahead and annotate and draw a line from the center using my construction line. When I go to the center of a line, it gives me a triangle. That means it's center. Straight up, that's the center of this whole line. Okay? So I'm ready to mirror this. So I take with the motherly hug that line, that combination of the lines, mirror against this axis, and it finishes the other one. So I use copy and mirror to complete this process. This will chat over the next phase.